July 4th gets its name from the 4 B's. Beer, braised, beef in a bun. Sound about right? I think of this as kind of like a grown-up version of a sloppy Joe. And who doesn't like a sloppy Joe? Joe Mama? or my brother Joe. Ooh, it's already so beautiful. Oh yeah. Blade roast. Inexpensive cut and maximum yield. A few hours simmering in beer, and this is gonna fall apart, and there'll be more than enough for your guests to go for seconds. This is called deglazing, but I call it letting the pan have the first round. Mom would have skipped this to save some time. Malt vinegar is made from beer, as if we need another reason to love it. Worcestershire sauce. Brown sugar adds a little bit of sweetness and a little complexity, kinda like me. Demi-glace. Whenever you see this at your butcher shop, stock up, stock up. Get it? Stock up. Look at this. Beer braised beef. Oh, Lordy. Perfectly tender. See how forking tender this is? So easy. Only one way to eat this riff on a sloppy Joe. Going in. That tender beer braised beef, the tangy slaw, that crispy soft bun, and that crunchy lettuce. Independence Day, more like Indelicious Day.